Waterproofing or decorating water-bearing positive side surfaces with Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat as a trowel-on skim coat application. Mixing. Pour 7 litres of clean water into a clean plastic container. To minimize crazing and cracking, substitute 1 litre of water with 1 litre of Coprox Cobond. Then sprinkle 25 kilograms of Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat slowly into the clean water, stirring constantly until smooth and free of lumps. Use immediately. To prevent settling, stir frequently throughout the application. Application. If applying over tiles that have wide or deep grouting, the application may have to be done twice in order to hide the grout marks. Should this be the case, allow the first application to dry for at least 1 week before repeating the application for a second time. Key porous masonry surfaces with clean water. Key smooth or dense masonry surfaces and clay tiles with Coprox Cobond. While the surface is still wet or the Coprox Cobond is still tacky, spread the Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat evenly over the entire keyed surface with a wooden or steel float to a thickness of 3 to 5 millimeters. The entire application must be floated without interruption to avoid noticeable overlaps. Once the Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat has dried sufficiently, level the application with a wet wooden float. Then, to achieve a glass smooth finish, float the application using a wet steel float. On large areas, expansion joints can be utilized to minimize cracking. Once the Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat visibly begins to dry, cure the application by evenly wetting it with a fine mist spray. Repeat this procedure 1 or more times to minimize crazing and powdering. In hot climates or high temperatures, cure the application more frequently. Allow the application to dry for at least 48 hours before use. Drying times may be longer in cold or wet weather. Protect bathroom, shower, and kitchen walls and floors against scuff marks or stains with Coprox Wall and Floor Clear Sealer. Allow the Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat to dry for at least 48 hours before the sealer is applied. If a polyurethane epoxy sealer is to be used, the Coprox Waterproof Dual Coat must first be sealed with Coprox Wall and Floor Clear Sealer to avoid discoloration of the application.